Anybody got any questions with that before we go on? Okay, so Azra,
Yes.
Jennifer, Jimmy,
Jessica.
Jonathan. Jennifer?
Jessica.
Jessica. I got the J. Now I'm going to be stuck with Jennifer. I'm going to be
So-
wrong from now on.
So yes, the final answer there, you would say 2.5 foot-pounds per second. That's how much power?
2.5 foot-pounds per second, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, in those units.
I'm not really understanding the second feet part. You got foot-pounds per foot. LBFFT. It's
Okay.
not making sense for some reason.
This LBF,
Yeah.
that's I use that F to know, so I know whether I'm talking about force or mass. So that F is just, it's kind of a subscript, and sometimes I get sloppy and I just leave it as an LBF and then the whole thing. But that F, because we don't know otherwise it's just a pound, and you don't know if it's pound force or pound mass. And then if you try to convert to SI units, convert to a kilogram or a newton, that's a different conversion. And then you get all screwed up. So I always write, and I expect all y'all to always write LBM or LBF, and I'll keep you straight. Because they're completely different things. A kilogram is not a newton any more than a pound force is equal to a pound mass. They're not the same. So was that what was confusing, that F when we did it?
Yeah.
That was just me saying to myself and everybody else that that's pound force and not pound mass. Okay? Yeah. Thank you. I'll probably didn't make that clear. Y'all have any questions for me? Does this, let's do one more. PSI. So what am I talking about? Pressure, right? And what's PSI stand for?
Pounds per square inch.
Pounds per square inch. PSI is just an abbreviation for pounds per square inch. I want to convert that to the SI unit. We already talked about the SI units, Pascal, right? PSI is an abbreviation, but it's not very useful to do a unit conversion because it's just P and the S and the I, and none of the units are really there. You can't convert, you can't cancel out. You don't know if it's pound force, pound mass. The inch, it looks like a single inch, but we know it's force per area, so it's really inches squared, right? Well, square inch, SI, so I guess that's square inch. So you kind of know it's there. But so whenever you have something funny like this, I'd always go ahead and write it as I'd start this problem by going 13 LBF per inch squared. That's the same thing as that, but it's written at a better starting place. Nobody writes it, well, some people write it like this. Most of the time you're going to see it like this. On the side of your tire, it's going to be written like this. We want to get to pascals. How are we going to do this?
When you start off with pounds force, the bottom of the next one, at least.
Do what?
We can start off with pounds force, the bottom of the next one.
Okay. And then what? What's that?
12 inches above it.
We can't have
144
144 what?
inches.
Pounds forward.
This is what I would advise y'all to do. On each one of these, I take the pounds force